Hi there. So this is going to be a quick demo to illustrate how Apache Storm processes notifications through the platform. And let's go ahead and go to demo.strax.co, and it's going to be port 8888. We shall access the Storm UI. We see it loading up. And what you want to make sure is in the topology summary there is a listing for Strax safe tracks. If this is not present, there's something wrong with Storm on the platform and no notifications will go through whatsoever. But if this is present and notifications are not coming through, then it's a good idea to go ahead and drill into this and head forward to accessing the logs. Now, you could go ahead and go to any of these bolts right here, click on any one. I'll just click on this top one, go to the next portion, and what you do is you scroll down to the executors and find the port. Now this is a hyperlink that's clickable. I'm going to go ahead and click it. But when I do that, you'll see that the link is kind of broken, no page loads up, and that's only because for some reason there's something relating to the way Storm does its internal linking. This is going to the AWS hosting. This actually should be demo.strax.co. So after I make that correction and I leave the rest of the URL the same, go ahead and click in and let the Apache log load up, and this is what that kind of looks like. It's probably a better idea to download the full log from here and open that on an editor on your local host because you'll have access to the complete log. What you see on screen is just a tail. Now, there's times when if there's an ongoing issue with notifications, there will be an error. So I will do a find and look for error. If I don't find any, it's great, and we can rule out that the problem for notifications not coming through is certainly not Storm. And it's probably better to do the search for error in uppercase within the full log, and that's an assurance that is worth having. Hopefully, if there is an error, we can grab it and include it in any kind of bug tracking that we can do to help troubleshoot the problem. Okay, so I hope this quick tutorial helps further bolster our troubleshooting mechanism for the platform. Okay, thank you.